how to add or remove Dolby Atmos to quick settings panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, open quick settings panel. So just swipe down and click on this pen icon. After click on this pen icon, click on edit. After click on edit, if you want to add Dolby Atmos on quick settings panel, so you will see Dolby Atmos is here. If you want to add, click on Dolby Atmos and click on done, and again click on done. You will see Dolby Atmos is add on quick settings panel. If you want to remove Dolby Atmos to quick settings panel, click on this pen icon and click on edit. If you want to remove, click on this minus icon and click on done. You will see Dolby Atmos is at Dolby Atmos is remove on quick settings panel. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add or remove Dolby Atmos on quick settings panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.